Hi, I see that your Windows seems laggy and disturbing. Don't worry, I am going to tell you 4 simple steps to get rid of it. Right-click on Windows icon and click on Run. In Run, search for Temp. Delete all the files and folders. You can skip the files or folders which cannot be deleted. Again, open Run, search for %temp%. Delete all the files and folders again. Again, open Run and search for prefetch. Delete all the files and folders again. In the search box, search for Disk Cleanup. Select the Disk C. Select all the options, but make sure that you do not select the thumbnail option. Right-click on Taskbar and open Task Manager. Click on the Startup. Disable all the programs which you don't want to start on the startup of Windows. Now open Windows Settings. Click on Privacy. Then Background Apps. Make sure to disable it. After that, click Personalization. Click on the colors. Disable the transparency effect. Click on System. Then click on Storage. Make sure that Storage Sense is on. Click on the Apps. Uninstall all the unused apps and programs. Now click on the Gaming. Disable both the ticked option. It will disable the game bar so that it will boost FPS. Then click on the Game Mode. Make sure that it is turned on. Turning it on will automatically optimize your PC for gaming whenever you play a game. Now come to search box and search for defragment and optimize drives. Optimize all the drives. Guys, this is a lengthy process, so can take many minutes, so wait till it's completed. Now do a setting for it like me. Select it to monthly.